polisi yashabo kwatanitsa n'abembezi kurwana somuze gwazara no guresere bamwe barwo mu mashomero abo kuba bamwe batamwe bishare by'ishomero okushabo kwahebwe Dennis Mudenengabirano urukwembera National Lotteries and Gaming Regulatory Board obiyaba nabwa no polisi ye cyanga cya Riz
abakuzo mu betting shop says ningashiza duka za zara baza mu bamakora imirimo inumurimo gukora mutunga sente watwara eze zitakushasha utwareyo eze zitakushasha izo kumanya mu waferwa tuzakushasha aho kuba betting tumurimo kandi kitekwa mu wazayo no mutwaro muza kurwe n'umutware kitekwa
imari n'ibyo mapine license regional mwenda uzumuzemka have you said you are where to the office mwijaba mu kishona umtamu umstese tanaka opposite na Amazon mwabure opposite Amazon muzeyo wabaye license kunga muticheza abana tuzane ibintu ebyo
abantu bajyango mu mwaka gumwe bakwasire byo mabiru kurenga mu 15 ebiri kwese bomba henda biragero
umwaka gumwe almost the machines 15 zirimo slot Chinese slot machines, fish tables, spare parts kutaho mu ihanga abakozi kwesa batinda license
and age students, mostly the school going students and those who are not going to school but they are still young. We are going to give enforcement to the enforcement team so that we can finish or we can reduce.
Najyangu no bw'amateka gatakukiriza kutwara zaro myanya yo mbyaro bitu binji bahenda amateka bazitwarayo kandi abakozi bakine bake kwatabaru kuhenda biragiro myanya irahari.
Gambling aba betting machines companies chirikwanze korero mu towns, municipalities, not in villages. So of course nka office tushiri bake munonga ngati government tuhire manpower abantu tukora nabo konga tukiri bake.
Amakuru agasha kwa Job na Amanya na Anita Tukunda.